Hello and welcome back to our channel, The Crumbs in the Philippines. Today we are traveling by ferry to the beautiful island of Mindoro. It is one of the most untouched and beautiful of the populated islands in the Philippines archipelago. Join us on another great adventure as we explore springs, waterfalls, beaches, and lush tropical jungles. Take care, enjoy, and hit the like button if you appreciate this type of content.
Morning light breaks, my body's refreshed, taking a dip in these waters of green, lost in the wake of this jungle's breath, flowing so freely where my heart's unseen. Nature embracing, my soul is tracing rivers of love in this lush symphony. In your cool spring I find everything, waves of our passion set my
in the Philippines with piers by their side, taking the ferry to Mindoro where the blue seas glide. Lush green surrounds where the palm trees sway. We breathe in the islands, feeling miles away. The sunset slow, painting the sky dreamy hue. In this paradise we find solace of truth. Oh, let us sail on where the horizon's wide. Oh, let us sail on with the gentle tide. The island whispers secrets in the warm night air. With laughter and stories we find moments rare. Mountains stand tall, guardians of this land. We walk on the shore, leaving footprints in the sand. In the embrace of nature, our hearts open wide, finding peace within with every stride. Oh, let us sail on where the horizon's wide. Oh, let us sail on with the gentle tide. Underneath the starlight, dreams softly start. In this tropical haven, we heal our heart. Time stands still in this beautiful place. Together we journey in nature's embrace. Oh, let us sail on where the horizon's wide. Oh, let us sail on with the gentle tide.
The ferry to Mindoro with the wind so free. Crumbs in the Philippines with piers you see. Sun kiss the sea on our gentle ride. Lush greens and blues rolling countryside. Laughter and stories as the waves did sway. This tropical bliss where dreams come to play. Oh, Mindoro, your heart beats slow with friends so dear. The warm winds blow in a paradise.
Okay guys, so here we are at our destination, Airbnb. I'll show you the inside and accommodations here very shortly. Neighbor has a dog, as you can see. This pool is included with our Airbnb. I'll show you the price at the end of the video. Nice and clean, I like it. I'm going to be swimming in here sometime today. And then this cabana, really nice. Sit and chill out. A cabana here. Place to change clothes. Here. There's your filtration system for the pool. It's really nice. Very nice.
Is this marble native to the island?
This is my friend Pierce, and this is our host at the Airbnb. Okay, here's the accommodation where we're staying. I'll give you the price near the end of the video. We're parking right down on the street on the other side of that wall. Look at this view, people.
Nice.
Let's go and see what this place looks like. Here's the view from the other side of the building, just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. We're like in the mountains up here. It's a breathtaking view. I don't know if you can see that house way up at the top of the hill up there, but I can see it with my eye. It looks really nice. Let's go and see what our place looks like here. We're up here. And this is our 2-bedroom accommodation here. We have a little terrace out front, table and chairs. Again, just a magnificent view from the terrace. Let's back up the road and then back down the road that we came up from. Let's go inside and check it out. Come into the sala. Of course, as an Airbnb, everything is fully furnished. Got a TV with cable, Wi-Fi included. It's a nice little unit here. Smells nice and clean with just a faint hint of bleach, which is always nice. As you know, it's disinfected. This will be Jen in my bedroom. Here, the first one on the left. Full-size cabinet, queen-size bed. We have complimentary towels and soap. Wall aircon unit, which looks like it'll work just great. Sala set, kind of rudimentary, but hey, it's very functional. There's your TV and entertainment system. It does have a cushion on it. It's nice and soft. Dining table, a complimentary roll of toilet paper. Can't beat it. Take a look at room number 2, which has a queen size bed, a nice fan, a double bed here, a twin, a full closet, and just a stunning view out the window. Wow. That is amazing. Pierce might open his windows up here and get some serious cross breeze blowing through here. Both sides, the view is amazing. Outstanding. Man, this is nice. What a nice place. We split the price with Pierce, so you're not going to believe what we got this for. We're staying for 3 nights. There's our refrigerator and our stove, rice cooker, toaster, hot water maker, full set of dishes, cups, forks, spoons, knives, cookware under the sink. Check out the bathroom. Nice and clean. No hot water, but we knew that before we came and we're perfectly okay with that because the temperatures are seasonably warmer here in Mindoro than it is at Lipa City. We'll be going swimming in the pool later and enjoying it, and we'll share the rest of our trip with you as we go. And telling you guys, Airbnb, you can really get some good deals in the Philippines using Airbnb. There's just no doubt about it. The price of this Airbnb for 3 nights, 2 bedrooms, 3 adults, with all the accommodation, etc., etc., is $150 US, or 7,000 pesos, give or take a little bit. And we split it with Pierce, so each one of us paid roughly like 4,000 pesos. 4,000 pesos each, a little more than that.
Look at that.
So anyway, guys. And I almost forgot to show you the other cool part of this Airbnb, is that there's a rooftop terrace. Let's go check it out. All included. Earlier I gave the price of $150. That was off a little bit. I checked my receipt. It's $166 for 3 nights. Check this out. It's really nice. Got some wicker furniture over here. Oh, that's not really wicker, that's more local style bamboo. Nice. What a nice place to come up and chill out. You can feel that breeze blowing up here. Off in the distance, you could, I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera, but I can see the ocean. Wow. Water tower. See the tricycle coming up the road here in Suli, Balatero. What a beautiful view. This place is amazing. It's called Gina's Place. If you ever want to look it up on Airbnb. We just went swimming in the pool. It was divine, man. That water was nice and crystal clear, clean. And it was nice and cool. It wasn't like crisp and cold. All sides just covered with nature. Amazing. I think I'm gonna try to pop the drone up here and see if I can't get some aerial shots of this area and maybe even see the ocean from here. So anyway, guys, that'll do it for this little segment.
Underneath the canopy, lush greens enfold this sacred space. A cool spring greets us tenderly in the heart of nature's grace. Your laughter echoes through the wild, lost with you like a child. Swimming in our Eden, ripples where our hearts collide. Swimming in our Eden, in your eyes the perfect tide. Sunlight filters through the leaves, diamonds dance upon the stream. You and me where the jungle breathes, together in this endless dream. Your touch ignites a world so bright, drenched in love, pure and light. Swimming in our Eden, ripples where our hearts collide. Swimming in our Eden, in your eyes the perfect tide. Let the waters wash away all our fears from yesterday. In this haven we will stay forevermore, come what may. Swimming in our Eden, ripples where our hearts collide. Swimming in our Eden, in your eyes the perfect tide. Drinking coconut juice, warm breeze from the ocean. Ferry rides and island tides, drenched in sweet emotion. Crumbs in the Philippines, sailing through the sea. Ferry rides where island hopping, sunsets glow, our hearts are stopping. Crumbs in the Philippines, where the world feels like a dream. Sand beneath our feet, water's crystal clear. Every destination's near, leaving worries in the rear. Laughter echoes in our ear, adventures we hold dear. Ferry rides where island hopping, sunsets glow, our hearts are stopping. Crumbs in the Philippines, where the world feels like a dream. island dawns to new beginnings. Crumbs in the Philippines, moments blend like serene scenes. Ferry rides, we're island hopping, sunsets flow, our hearts are stopping. Crumbs in the Philippines, where the world feels like a dream. Here on the shore where the sun paints the sky with colors that dance like the soft waves nearby, I laugh and I play in the warm island breeze. Where everything's easy, it's here I find peace. The palm trees are swaying, they're singing my name. In this tropical paradise, life feels like a game. And I thank you for bringing me here, for sharing this view, for calming my fears. Finally I found that I belong here. Beneath the blue waters my worries all fade. Each moment we're living, a joy to be made. The warmth of your laugh carries sweet like the sun. Together we wander our lives. But cause we're the crumbs and you'll love us. Hit the like and subscribe now. Show some love, don't delay. Hit the like and subscribe now. Join the fun every day. Join the fun, don't